Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick enchiladas. First, gather all your ingredients like tortillas, sauce, and your chosen filling. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure everything cooks perfectly. While the oven heats, prepare your filling. This could be seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or even a hearty bean mixture. Having everything ready makes assembly a breeze. Now, let's assemble. Gently warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Dip each warm tortilla into your enchilada sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated. Then, add approximately 1/4 cup of your prepared filling down the center. Roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat until your dish is full. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top. Next, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, over the entire dish. Bake in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let them rest for 5 minutes after baking to set. Your quick enchiladas are ready to enjoy. For a fresh touch, garnish with chopped fresh cilantro or sliced green onions. They pair wonderfully with classic sides like Mexican rice and refried beans. Don't forget to offer optional toppings such as a dollop of sour cream or a scoop of creamy guacamole. These simple additions elevate the flavor. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.